Have you ever dreamt for a world of magic, where nature nurtures unseen arts, quietly but surely, softly and slowly, as fairies build these towers of flowers, where animals are friends, equal in their part, tending Earth's heart. Nature sings the unseen song, a sacred gift for those who belong. So sing that song, beat that heart, and observe. Sail beyond your finest dreams, flow between that endless sea, follow freely newfound life, seek to live in love, not strife, and watch, slowly and softly, surely and quietly. Thank the earth for these precious gifts, for earth who grounds and grows my bones, for air who gives and takes my breath, for fire roaring, warming my soul, for water, life, forever flowing, for friendships, for laughter, for music, for sunsets, for all the magic in this world. Who ever said fairies aren't real anyways?